Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this kind of like space saver sofa that this brand sent to me for this video. It's kind of like a love seat, I have to say, but it's compact. It's not like a big love seat. This is the 65 inches long. They have also the 56 in case that you need to save more space, but this is the 65 by 34. I have to talk about the assemble. I mean, not exaggerating, the assemble of this one, it took me about like 13 minutes. I'm not exaggerating. With power tools, it took me about 13 to 15 minutes, no more than that. Everything is explained right here. You don't need any help. Trust me, you don't. I mean, if you have help, that's gonna be even better. It's gonna be probably like 10 minutes or so. But I did it without any help, and it took me about like no more than 15 minutes with power tools. I do like some things about this one. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds. But the number one thing that I like is that it is compact, but it's comfy. It's comfy enough just to binge watch your favorite TV show, your favorite movies, just sit for a long day after work or something like that. It could be really nice for that, but also saving some space at the same time. Let's take a closer look. So one more time, here are the assemble instructions, just one page. You're gonna see just one single page. Everything is super easy. You're gonna see that these ones are thick enough. They're thick, so that is gonna give you a really nice support when you're sitting for after a long day of work or something like that. These are gonna give you a firm support over here, but on your legs you're gonna have a better circulation just for this one being thick but more cushion on this side. And the other thing that I like is just over here on the wooden legs, which by the way, there are 4 on the sides, 2 on that side, 2 on this side, and 2 in the middle, kind of like junction together the structure, the metal frame. You're gonna see this. Take a look at this. They have kind of like really nice pads on the bottom. So if you had a wooden floor or a tile or something like that, these are gonna be tile. Actually, these are gonna be easy to move. And then also right here, you're gonna see that these are kind of like connected together, but metal frame and also super big screws. So bottom line, this could be a really nice space saver sofa, love seat sofa for your living room, your office, your bedroom, something that's not gonna be super big but comfy enough up to 3 people. I want to say 3 people. And of course, you can take a quick nap over here if you're not like super tall or something like that. You can also take a nice nap over here. So 65 inches. They also have the 56 by 34. Nice armrest over here. Really nice and thick cushion. And of course, you have the pillows over here that you can add some extra pillows for more comfort, and the super easy assemble. I like this one. I do recommend it. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.